Hello and welcome to Talking with GPT. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of humanity's most enduring fascinations, space exploration. From the first human-made satellite, Sputnik 1, to today's missions to Mars and beyond, we've come a long way in our efforts to understand the universe that surrounds us. But why do we continue to invest time and resources in space exploration? What drives us to push the boundaries of what is possible and learn more about the cosmos? Join me as we explore the reasons behind humanity's fascination with space and consider the impact that space exploration has had on science, technology, economics, international cooperation, and our collective curiosity and desire to explore. So let's strap in and blast off on this journey of discovery. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to travel to the moon or visit other planets? Or have you ever been lost in a strange city without your trusty GPS to guide you, and thought to yourself, man, I sure am glad we have satellite technology? Well, it turns out that our fascination with space has led to some pretty amazing advancements and discoveries. For centuries, humanity has been captivated by the vast expanse of space that surrounds us, and over the past few decades, we have made incredible progress in our efforts to explore it. We've sent humans to the moon, which, let's be honest, was pretty much the coolest thing we've ever done, established permanent bases on the International Space Station, and sent probes to study other planets in our solar system. But why do we continue to invest time and resources in space exploration? Well, here are a few reasons. Scientific discovery. Space exploration allows us to study the universe and learn more about our place in it. For example, the Kepler Space Telescope has discovered thousands of exoplanets orbiting other stars, which has sparked a whole new field of research into the search for extraterrestrial life. And let's be real, finding out that we're not alone in the universe would be pretty much the biggest news story of all time. We could finally stop calling it the final frontier and start calling it the first stop on the cosmic tour. Technological advancement. Space exploration has also been a major driver of technological innovation. The challenges of space travel have led to the development of new technologies that have had a profound impact on our daily lives. For example, satellite communication and GPS, both of which were developed for space exploration, have become integral parts of our modern world, used for everything from navigation to television and internet service. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be lost in a strange city without their trusty GPS to guide them. We'd all be wandering aimlessly, muttering to ourselves and trying to use our phones as makeshift compasses. Economic benefits. In addition to the scientific and technological benefits of space exploration, there are also economic benefits to be gained. The development of space-based technologies and services can create new industries and job opportunities, and the exploration of space resources such as water and minerals on other planets or moons could potentially provide new sources of raw materials for use on Earth. And who wouldn't want to be the first person to discover a new, untapped source of valuable resources? We could all be space prospectors, striking it rich on the lunar gold rush. International cooperation. Space exploration has also been a source of international cooperation, with many countries working together on joint missions and sharing resources and expertise. This cooperation has helped to build bridges between nations and foster a greater sense of global unity and understanding. And let's face it, the world could always use a little more cooperation and understanding. Imagine if we could solve all of our earthly problems by working together on space-based solutions. We'd be living in a utopia of orbital harmony. Exploration and curiosity. Finally, one of the primary reasons that humanity has always been interested in space exploration is our innate curiosity and desire to learn more about the universe that we live in. From the early days of the space race, when countries raced to be the first to put a man on the moon, to today's missions to Mars and beyond, the drive to explore and understand more about the cosmos has always been a powerful motivator. After all, who wouldn't want to know what it's like to walk on another world? Or to see the sunrise from orbit? Or to gaze out at the infinite expanse of the universe, knowing that we are just a tiny part of something much larger? Our curiosity and desire to explore are fundamental human traits, and space exploration allows us to fulfill those desires in ways that were previously unimaginable. These are just a few of the reasons why humanity continues to pursue space exploration. Whether for scientific discovery, technological advancement, economic benefits, international cooperation, or simply a desire to explore and learn more, the reasons for going to space are as varied and multifaceted as humanity itself. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that we are all a part of this great journey of exploration and discovery. Who knows what amazing things we'll discover next? Maybe we'll find a new form of energy that will solve all of our problems. Maybe we'll discover a planet that's even better than Earth. Or maybe we'll finally find out what happened to all those socks we lost in the dryer. The possibilities are truly endless. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there are any other planets out there that could support human life? You know, just in case we manage to mess up this whole Earth thing. Or have you ever had a particularly rough day and thought to yourself, man, I could really use a fresh start on a new planet? Well, it turns out that scientists have been wondering the same thing for centuries, and thanks to advances in technology, we've made some pretty amazing discoveries in our search for other Earth-like planets. First off, let's define what we mean by Earth-like. Essentially, we're looking for planets that are similar to Earth in terms of size, composition, and distance from their star, as these factors are thought to be important for the development of life as we know it. And it turns out that there are a lot of planets out there that fit the bill. In fact, thanks to the Kepler Space Telescope and other exoplanet hunting instruments, we've discovered thousands of exoplanets orbiting other stars, many of which could potentially support life. Now, before you start packing your bags for a one-way trip to the nearest habitable planet, it's important to note that we don't yet have any definitive proof that any of these exoplanets are actually habitable. But that doesn't mean we're not trying to find out. In fact, there are several ongoing missions and projects aimed at studying exoplanets and searching for signs of life. For example, the James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in the next few years, will be able to detect the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for biomarkers such as oxygen and methane, which could be indicative of the presence of life. So, is there a livable Earth out there for us? It's tough to say for sure, but the possibility is certainly there. And even if we don't find any other habitable planets in our own galaxy, there are billions of other galaxies out there, each with its own collection of exoplanets. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and who knows what other wonders and discoveries we'll uncover as we continue to explore it. Maybe we'll find a planet with unlimited supplies of caffeine. Or a planet where avocados are free. Or a planet where you can never get a bad haircut. The possibilities are truly endless. So the next time you look up at the night sky and wonder if we're alone in the universe, just remember that we've only scratched the surface of what's out there. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find a new home among the stars. Until then, we'll just have to make do with this little blue ball we call home. So, as we've seen, there are many reasons why humanity has always been fascinated by space exploration. From the desire to learn more about the universe and our place in it, to the pursuit of scientific and technological advancements, to the economic and international cooperation opportunities that space exploration presents, there are countless motivations that drive us to explore the cosmos. And with the discovery of thousands of exoplanets orbiting other stars, the possibility of finding another Earth-like planet that could support human life becomes increasingly likely. So, as we look to the future, it's clear that the journey of space exploration is far from over. There are still countless mysteries to be uncovered and challenges to be overcome, and who knows what amazing discoveries and milestones we'll achieve in the coming years and decades. Whether we find another Earth-like planet or not, the pursuit of space exploration will continue to inspire and educate us, and to shape our understanding of ourselves and the universe that surrounds us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video on the reasons behind humanity's fascination with space exploration and the possibility of other Earth-like planets, please consider subscribing to the Talking with GPT channel. We'll be exploring a wide range of topics on artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we'd love to have you join us on this journey of discovery. And don't forget to leave a comment and like the video to let us know what you thought. We love hearing from our viewers and always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.